very good presentation. Now I would like to request our guest from Turkey, from Harun Yahya Foundation, Dr. Ahmed, and please give us presentation. Turkey, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters.
You all welcome.
How did the universe come to be?
Of course, every normal person will ask that, where am I? How did it become? Right? What is this harmony, equilibrium? Well, when you just see a fly, I saw one just outside of this landscape. It was flying, and I did like this, go away. You know that there's a fly called Forcipomia, it's his name. And that fly is clapping the wings 1,000 times in 1 second. You know that we have races called Formula One races, F1. And we are using high technology in these races. And all those Ferrari, Mercedes, those cars are working so hard on those engines. And they are making up engines. The upper limit that we have come today is the engine makes 20,000 turns in 1 minute. But that fly does it 1,000 times in 1 second. What kind of technology is this? And for that machine, we are using many cooling systems. Just like oil, just like water, and the substance of this machine is very, very different. And they are working on it and spending millions of United States dollars on it. But if you will try to make it 1,000 turns in 1 second, it will just explode. It's impossible to make it. But there's just a fly that's flying around us, and no problem. Flying about an hour, and then just comes here, and when you touch that fly, it's still cold. It didn't heat up. It's still cold, and its substance is just tiny, tiny wings. That's all. That's all that he has. So, to looking around is very important for us. Just to see what is this harmony, what is this equilibrium, what happened, and all these things came out. What kind of art is this? We must look at it very carefully. So let us see how the creation was come into being. Well, these are explosives. We all know that if we put a bomb in somewhere, for example, under a car, under an aeroplane, and we put a bomb and we explode it, we know the result, right? What will happen? If we put a bomb in Toyota, and then after exploding it, we won't find a Ferrari or Rolls-Royce, right, afterwards. We all know that. Yeah, no explosion makes it better. We all know that. But something happened in the universe. And now science found out that there's an explosion happened when 14.5 or 15 billion years ago it happened. And now we will see the proofs of it. That there is really a time that everything started. Before Big Bang, there was nothing. In old times, they were saying that science was believing that there is a stable universe, an infinitive path, and it will go to infinity. But we found out that there is a beginning. There is a beginning about 14.5 billion years ago. Let us see George Foister. He is an atheist. Let us see what he says. The universe wasn't a created object. That's his belief. If it were, then it would have to be created instantaneously by God and brought into existence from nothing, he says. Of course, he was telling these things before the proofs of Big Bang are coming. But he says that there must be a time, and if it had happened like that, there must be God then, he says. But he says that I don't believe that. It's not like that. And let us see the proofs now. This is our planet, the third one from the sun. And when we examine the universe, we found out that there is a harmony. This is Milky Way. In the Milky Way, we found out that there are 250 billion stars. Not an exact number, but it's around 250 billion stars. And they all have their orbits. And we are living somewhere around here. Our planet is somewhere around here. And the sun is one of those points. These are all stars. This is the main part of Milky Way. And just to understand how big it is, I will give you some examples. We have a sun here, very close to our Earth. We see our sun always 8 minutes later. It's only 150 million kilometers from here to sun. It's very close when you compare the universe. And the sunshine comes 8 minutes later. That means that if you go there and sit beside sun, you will always watch the world 8 minutes later, because the light will come to you 8 minutes later. But the closest star, when you look at it, you will say that, oh, there is a star. Yes, I can see that there is a star. But it was there 5,000 years ago. The closest one. When you go and sit there, you will watch our Earth planet, and then you will always watch 5,000 years ago's events. Roman Empire and something, because the light is just coming to you. You cannot watch the others. Just the time that you are watching is 5,000 years ago. And when you will go to the other side of the